Hi, okay, this is going to be a really quick guide to how you can connect Lineup Ninja to Swoogo so you can manage all your speakers and content and have a single source of truth for your agenda in Lineup Ninja. And then you can connect it to Swoogo to do all of your other event management stuff and publish the agenda on your website. Okay, so here we are. I've got my demo event here called Content Portal Demo. I'm looking at the agenda planner. We can see that we've got some sessions here, and I can see that those sessions have already got their speakers in them. If we go across to Swoogo, over here I can see that I've got my Content Portal Demo already set up. So I've given it a link, set up things like the date and time to be the same, but that's it. There are no sessions, there are no scheduled sessions or speakers. None of that as yet has been created in Swoogo. Okay, so to push all that data from Lineup Ninja across to Swoogo, it's really easy. We just need to create the integration, link it to Swoogo, and then push the data across. So we're going to go down to Publish Agenda. Down here, this is where all the places that you're going to publish your data to live. I've got some existing ones, but I want to create a new one, and it's an integration. Swoogo down the bottom here. So to set up the integration, just click on Integrate. That's going to ask you for some information. What do you want to call it? I want to call it Swoogo. It's then going to ask us for the event ID for the event that I want to push the data to. And it's saying, find this on the My Events page. I think Swoogo have actually updated this since we created this integration. And so it's now on the View Events page. So on there, it's basically this number. And it's then going to ask me for two other bits of information, which are the consumer key and the consumer secret, which you will find under your Swoogo profile and then API credentials. So if you go to my profile, click on API credentials, I just want to copy those two fields from API key. And then I want to get my consumer secret. And paste that in here. Once you've got those fields filled in, that should be ready to go, but you've got some other choices that you can make. So for example, you can decide, do you actually want to publish all of your speakers, or do you want to limit it to only, for example, only the speakers who have a session which is currently scheduled? Same thing with sessions. Maybe you don't want to publish all the sessions because you might have some which are not scheduled or some which are not confirmed or whatever. So you can filter them out based on some rules that we provide, or you can also add labels to your sessions. So you could have a label called something like ready to publish, and then you only include sessions which have that ready to publish label. I'm just going to click save. It's configured that, and now it's telling me you have new configuration changes to publish. Click publish when you're ready to do so. And it's also warning me that two of my speakers don't have an email address and that Swoogo needs them to have those addresses. So without them, they're going to be skipped, so they won't be published to Swoogo. So that's a really important thing to be aware of. So we can just hit publish here, and that will start sending that data across to Swoogo, and it'll tell us it's doing that and give us a status update. So there it is, it's pushing the speakers over. Next, it's going to move on to sessions. And when it's completed, it will tell us it's done. And if we go back to Publish Agenda, over here we can now see we've got this Swoogo line here, and it's saying, yep, that's all good. And let's have a look and see what we can see in Swoogo. So there were no sessions. If you refresh the page, you'll see that those sessions have now all appeared. Similarly with the schedule, we can see that this is updated to the date of the show, and we can see those sessions are indeed in there. And then speakers, there's my list of speakers and the sessions that they're speaking in. So that data is now available in Swoogo for you to then publish it to your website as normal. So that's it. Give it a go. And if you get stuck, do reach out to support and we'll try and help you as much as we possibly can. Okay, thanks for listening and good luck planning your events.